Cloudburst that caused damage in the Nanda Nagar Ghat area of Chamoli on Wednesday night. 6 houses have been buried under debris in the area. The district magistrate has gone on to say that there are a number of people that are missing, and that could be to the tune of 10 people that have gone missing, while 2 have been rescued. Relief and rescue operations continue. Around 2,500 tourists, do remember, were stranded on that stretch in Mussoorie because of the road from Dehradun to Mussoorie had been impacted, and it remained closed for the second consecutive day following that cloudburst and heavy rain in the capital of Uttarakhand. We're talking about Dehradun. That took place on the 16th. And now, in fact, from what we do know is that 17 people in all are missing. There are 4 who have been injured and 900 people have been rescued from Uttarakhand so far. It's the Chief Minister of the state who has said that the focus is on swift restoration of essential services. Aishwarya, my colleague, gets us a ground report from that temple that was almost submerged underwater.
Well, as we are reporting from different places in Dehradun, one of the places which were of high impact because of the cloud burst was Tapkeshwar Mahadev Temple in Dehradun. And there was a video that went viral on 16th of September. And let me first show you these visuals as to at what levels the water was flowing on that very day when the cloud burst erupted. There you can see the temple over here, which is Mata Vaishno Devi Gufa Yog Mandir. And the water is flowing till the board over there. And now my camera person will pan and show what is the status of this temple today. So it is at least 25 to 30 feet that the water is currently flowing in Tamsa river. The water levels were at that stage, and it was flowing till the board. It was also this statue of Lord Hanuman, and the water was almost till the statue of Lord Hanuman's face. And the entire Saraswati temple right here was submerged too. It was this very temple, the Tapkeshwar temple, and the railings over here were damaged. There was a high impact on the main temple right over there, as well as the water went inside the temple, and it was these furnitures as well as the main gate of temple that was partially damaged. Lifts had been damaged as well, and today there are a lot of locals who are assuring that there needs to be this temple which needs to be fixed, and the cleaning work is constantly going on with the devotees coming in so that temple can be started for the devotees yet again. But this was the kind of situation. At least 25 to 30 feet high was the level of water at Tamsa river, but it has now gone down, although the IMD has predicted that there might be heavy rainfalls in Nainital and Dehradun in the upcoming days as well. But people have been advised not to go near such rivers which have heavy flow